Medicare Part D is prescription drug coverage that is not provided in Medicare Parts A and B. All Medicare participants can have a Part D plan, but it is not mandatory. If you decide to enroll in a Medicare prescription drug plan, you will do so through a private insurance company approved by Medicare. These plans will vary in cost and the drugs which are covered. If you decide not to join a Medicare drug plan when you are first eligible, you will likely pay a late enrollment penalty if you choose a drug plan at a later date. So even if you are not currently taking a lot of prescriptions, you should consider joining a Medicare drug plan during your initial enrollment period to avoid this lifetime penalty. There are two options in obtaining Medicare prescription drug coverage. One is to purchase a standalone Medicare prescription drug plan. This type of plan adds drug coverage to original Medicare. The second way to have prescription coverage is through a Medicare Advantage plan that includes Part D. Whether you choose a Medicare prescription drug plan or a Medicare Advantage plan that includes a prescription drug plan, you should note that your Part D premium may be higher based on your income. If your modified adjusted gross income is above a certain amount, you will pay a higher monthly premium. For more information about premium costs, visit www.medicare.gov or call 1-800-MEDICARE. Once enrolled in a prescription drug plan, you will pay a monthly premium, unless your drug coverage is included in a Medicare Advantage plan premium. Premium cost varies based on the drugs offered in the plan, the co-payments for each prescription filled, and the deductible, if any. Most Medicare drug plans have a coverage gap, also called the donut hole. This means that there is a temporary limit on what the drug plan will cover for drugs. The coverage gap begins after you and your drug plan have spent a certain amount for covered drugs. Once you enter the coverage gap, you get a 50% discount on covered brand name drugs and pay 86% of the plan's cost for covered generic drugs until you reach the end of the coverage gap. The following items all count toward ending the coverage gap: your yearly deductible, coinsurance, and copayments, the discount you get on brand name drugs in the coverage gap, the amount you pay in the coverage gap. There are plans that offer some coverage during the gap, such as for generic drugs. However, plans with gap coverage may charge a higher monthly premium. Once you reach your out-of-pocket limit, you automatically get catastrophic coverage for the remainder of the year, which requires only a small coinsurance or copayment. Now that you have enrolled in Medicare, have chosen a plan, and taken care of your prescription drug coverage, it's time to understand your rights under Medicare.